Okay, we are taking a look at my Sony A7 IV. Now, this is configured in what I would say, and in my opinion, is the best vlogging setup money can buy. Now, I have the Sony 10 to 20mm G lens on here. This is an f4 lens with a power zoom. So that works incredibly well. It's wide enough for vlogging. You have a button on the side here, and you have your AF and manual switch here. I've also got the little hot shoe microphone, which attaches directly to the, there's a connection port on the hot shoe dedicated for Sony microphones. So you don't need a cable going into the camera. And then with the A7 IV, you have the flip out screen. So you can then have it in selfie mode that way around. And the thing I absolutely love about the A7 IV is you have this quick switch here. So you can go very quickly between stills, video, and quick and or slow and quick motion. So you can configure any of these via the memory settings 1, 2, 3 on the top here. So yeah, with the slow and quick, so you can just dial in settings. So if you wanted to do some slow motion, then it's easily accessible through there. Incredibly good camera. I can't recommend this enough. Oh, on the front here also, I have the Freewell. This is the CPL and ND filter with a mist filter that's magnetically attached to the front. Now, again, I highly recommend this for this complete setup because this is going to be able to get your exposure down to the correct shutter speed when you're out shooting. And yeah, it's going to give you the right angle shutter and the correct exposure. So yeah, I mean, also on the bottom here, I do have an Arca Swiss plate, which is again designed specifically for the A7 IV. My strap of choice is the Artist and Artisan strap. The fabric strap goes on there. I think it's a really nice finish and completes that camera. Oh, just one more thing whilst we're here. I did find these incredibly useful USB-C charging batteries. These are not, it's not the original Sony battery that came with the camera. You buy these separately and I'll link to that. But yeah, you can charge it via the USB port. So that means you've got one less thing to carry around when you're traveling. Yeah, I highly recommend this camera setup. A7 IV is absolutely, it was a full frame camera by the way. And yes, I know that's an APS-C lens on a full frame camera, but it works just as well. And this is absolutely my favorite setup. This is my own personal setup, bought with my own money. And yeah, I will link to all these products